This is Japan. Hi. Grandma's running. Ganda ng weather. Ay, mami, tinapon yung hat. Pasaway talaga yung anak ko. Tinapon yung hat. It's okay, Amara. After too many hiccups, we finally reached Sanrio Puro Land. How cute. Looks cute already. Amara just woke up from her nap. Time to eat. Oh, kasi may enjoy na niya. With the mother Dia. Hi, mother. Pagod ka na? Napagod ka ba today? Kahit hindi ka nag-navigate, napagod ka? But not yet. We will go there later after natin. For now, we're just gonna roam around sa Sanrio Puro Land kasi that's what we're here for. That's what we traveled for. So, yeah, this is what you see. So cute, oh. Kakaiba yung design ng McDonald's nila. So yeah, that's Sanrio Puro Land. Where's Amira?